Anyuond Rose Njeri medo ywak ne sirikal mondo mi howe nyargi thuolo bang' meko mare kod obila chieng' tich abich kuom loso mbui makonyo jopiny kwedo paro mar chik mar omenda 2025. Kaluwore kod anyuola mare, Rose Njeri nyocha omaki kod obila 15 manyocha tiyo kod nyamburko adek kido mar Subaru kendo nyocha okawe e nyim jirendege odiochieng' alanga. Jafo marwa Cynthia Onyango ntiere kod mathoth.
Rose Njeri, miyo ma jahigni 35 kendo janyodo 2 kende, tieko ndalo adek e tesend obila mapangani bang' make kod obila kuom mano mayangore ni nyocha oloso ton mbui makonyo oganda jo Kenya kwedo paro mar chik mar omenda ma higani.
Tunataka nini? Tunataka Njeri!
Kaluwore kod anyuola mare, Rose nigi luoro kaluwore kod kit meko manyocha omake go chieng' tich abich kendo pok omiye thuolo mar neno ng'ato ang'ata.
Even the people who arrested her, they were very cruel to her. Hajui what to do and what not to do. Hata hajui wakati mwingine hata anakataa kuongea na watu. Hajui the people that she should talk to or the people that she should not talk to. So si Sadafia hata ukimwongelesha unaona anakaa turning back, trying to see who is listening to her.
It is quite shameful for an individual like Njeri, who was exercising a civic duty, to not only be put under such immense pressure, but also even the fact that she was never read her Miranda rights. Her gadgets were taken without a proper miscellaneous application being filed in court. You did not have such warrants to take those particular gadgets.
Anyola kod jokedne ratich oganda oyango ni obila nyocha okawo gige tich mag Rose ataro mar chik.
When the police arrested her, they went to her house, ransacked the house. The police stole her hard drives, her computer, they have her phones. And she's a very young lady. Even by size, she's a very young, small lady. But she was arrested by 15 police officers.
There were 3 Subarus that had gone to arrest her, Subarus. So you can imagine, and she's smaller than the mother.
Obila to wacho ni gin gionge gi buch Rose ni maro kwach kiche manyocha omake kendo kete lwetgi ka familia kod jokedne ratich oganda to pod sundo sirikal mondo weye thuolo.
Police claim that they are just providing custody for her and the matters with the DCI.
I would pray to the government to please release her because she has children waiting for her and also she has a medical condition. She keeps on getting anemia.
Wacheni uoga, sirikali. Why are you so afraid of us speaking up? Why are you so afraid of people engaging with bills? That's what we're meant to be doing. That's what you're meant to be facilitating.
Tunataka kuambia Kenya siyo Tanzania. We are not Tanzania. We will not remain silent when rights are being violated. When Kenyans' Bill of Rights is being, raped left, right and center, hatutakubali.
Meko mar Rose otimore ndalo adek kende bang' jatend piny William Ruto kwayo rowere mag Gen Z ng'uono kalore kod tungni mane obedo ewi paro mar chik mar omenda ma higa mokalo.
Ayo mama.
Cynthia Onyango, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.